Hi, my name is Lakshay Kumar, and my friend Siddharth Kalji and I, we both worked on this project for Sonoma Hacks Hackathon. So this project called Productify was entirely built in Python, both the front end and the back end. And we use a lot of libraries like TK-Enter with this, but we also use the Career API. Before I get into these, I'm just going to explain the reasoning behind why we made this project. So as high schoolers, we're both juniors, we really have to accommodate to a lot of the tasks we're given, the homework we're given, a lot of the extracurriculars we do, right? So we use like note taking apps, right? We just have to stay on top of deadlines, right? And we have to keep on reminding each other, right? So especially in that part of junior year, right? We have dealt through this part where we really need to have an application where we can keep ourselves accountable. Now we use apps like Notion, right? We use Google Calendar, right? Um, we use also all sorts of various things, and to stay productive we also use the Pomodoro technique. Now that's what came to our idea, was that what if we combine all of these into one application, because you don't see that many applications like note taking apps and Pomodoro apps and uh, taskless apps. You don't see all those getting combined together, right? Along with, sometimes people also need, they rely on motivation with quotes and stuff, right? So you don't really see a lot of those features for productiveness being combined, especially for like hard workers or students, right? So that's where we drew inspiration from, and this is where we are implementing it in Python. So funny enough, we didn't even fully know the TK intro library. This was actually a learning process, and I'm glad it was, because now we can do even more projects, but we're going to scale this project to HTML and CSS next for a website. But now let's get into this project. So I'm just going to run this real quick. So again, this project, um, it uses the Career API, which also uses Twilio. And the reason we use that API was because we wanted to integrate a notification system into our project, which you'll see soon enough. So here you can register, right? There's just a login window. So I'll just say Sonoma, and then I'm just gonna do my email because I want to show the notification system. And then same thing with my phone number. So if you've already guessed, yeah, it does send the notifications to your phone and to your email and even to your display screen. So when we click submit info, we have a verification system. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone or email. So I'm going to open my phone right now. I'm going to go to messages, and right here, I was testing it out. That's why there are previous messages, but it says your code is that thing. So let's see, 861 267. All right, so now registration complete. Awesome. All right, now we can go and log in. All right, now we're fully logged in, and this is what the main UI looks like. Over here we have a notifications for the desktop. We have even dark mode and light mode to provide accommodations, right? If people I like dark mode, right? So I like to have everything in dark mode, or you can even do light mode. So we made a nice, beautiful UI over here using the TTK Bootstrap themes. That's a separate cousin library of TK-Enter. So we have dark mode, light mode, and then why don't we start with the task list? So you can delete tasks. You can also add tasks. Let's like say finish AP Physics homework. Oh, I also have a finish calc test, right? Studying for calc tests. So you can do all those, and I finished taking a nap. I finished these, and then boom. And now right here it says, all right, good job on finishing your tasks, right? So it congratulates you, right? It really wants to, it shows the emotion there. And then we also have our Pomodoro technique here. So I'm just gonna do start, and then you can start, and then it's gonna start counting down. Just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna skip this. But before that, it sent another notification saying, congrats for finishing all your tasks of the day. That was from the Career API for the task list. So then we can just reset, and then we can just do skip. Let me just do start and skip. All right, now this skips to the short 5-minute break. All right. So in a second, we should get a thing that, yeah, now it says, all right, good job, take a short break. And then we can just skip that, right? And then it's going to go back to the long break. And then, yeah, see, you just saw that message. It says your break is over. Please get back to work. And then now and reset. And then there's also a Pomodoro count there. Okay. And there's also another long break too, right there. You can even go for a 15-minute break. Now here we have our notifier. So let's say if you're someone who forgets stuff easily, that's me. And there's a meeting. There's a lot of meetings, but there's just one important meeting or one important event that you have to do. So let's say meeting, and I can say meeting with client. So just for the sake, we'll just do zero point 0.1 minutes, but you can do 25 minutes, 60 minutes. However, set notification, and 3 to 1, boom, right here in this display, meeting with client. So it sends you specialized notifications, right? And this was using the Plier library. This wasn't Courier. Courier was used for my phone number and for my email. So actually, if I go to my email here, right here, yeah. So all this, see, break and your break is over. So it sends everything, and then let's go back here. And again, the dark mode, the light mode, right? Providing accessibility. And then here we have our motivate me. It's the quotes, right? Like even I've seen before, quotes have helped a lot, right? So just motivate me, right? There's one from Bishop Desmond, right? There's numerous quotes, right? Numerous amount of quotes, really nice quotes, right? From really remarkable people. And any second now, it would send it to my phone. It would send these quotes to my phone. So yeah, overall, I've really had a lot of fun doing this project, and I've just seen, like, especially with this project has just helped a lot because we have really jam packed all of these tasks together, right? All of these features together, and yeah, as you can see now, it's sending the quotes so that even you can get these personalized notifications. So yeah, that is our submission for Sonoma Hacks Productify. Thank you.